Blurry scans no more. How Epson V850 Pro reveals every hidden detail in your film. Ever felt like your ancient scanner is plotting against you, turning cherished film strips into pixelated mush that mocks your memories? That frustrating blur when deadlines loom, or the heartbreak of faded family slides slipping away forever, sound too real? Drop a comment with your worst scan horror story. You're not alone in this dusty digital dungeon. Let's flip the script on those traitorous tools together. Picture this. Endless nights wrestling blurry scans amid mounting stress, burnout creeping in as client demands pile up like unchecked film rolls. Your workflow's a chaotic tangle, sucking the joy from every creative spark. But imagine reclaiming that control, effortlessly, with a scanner that whispers efficiency instead of screaming frustration. No more chaos, just pure, promising potential waiting to rescue your rhythm. Enter the Epson Perfection V850 Pro, the flatbed film scanner wizard that's quietly revolutionizing how pros and hobbyists alike breathe new life into forgotten archives. With its groundbreaking dual-lens system, smartly switching for razor-sharp 6,400 per inch optical resolution on film or prints, and a stellar 4.0D Max for silky shadow details that make colors sing like a rediscovered vinyl groove. It's no wonder this beast feels like a time machine for your media. Picture Sarah, a frantic wedding photographer buried in 35mm negatives from last season's shoots. One quick batch scan with the included Silverfast software and adjustable film holders, and her deliverables glowed with pro-level clarity, saving her from a retouch nightmare. Or take Archival expert Tom, who digitized a century-old slide collection without a hitch. Thanks to the ReadyScan LED's instant glow-up, no warm-up woes here. This isn't just scanning, it's sensory salvation, evoking the crisp snap of fresh prints and the intuitive thrill of flawless tonal range. Stick around. I'll drop a bonus tip on dodging Newton's rings with its optional fluid mount that could transform your next session into pure magic. Now, let's talk the real glow-up. The Epson V850 Pro turbocharges your efficiency, sharpening focus on what matters, your art, while slashing retouch hours with digital IC tech that zaps dust and scratches like a vigilant sidekick. Imagine the performance boost. Batchscan medium format rolls or 8x10 larges with 48-bit color depth, yielding scans so vibrant they practically leap off the screen, restoring that intuitive rush of holding a perfected negative. Why do thousands rave? Photography influencer Mia gushed, "I've salvaged 1960s family gems with detail I never dreamed possible. Digital IC saved my sanity on dusty slides." Analyst reviews echo this. The V850 Pro's dual lens isn't hype. It edges out rivals in sharpness for film and reflective work, a benchmark for pros. One user, a small business archivist, shared, "It's my workflow's backbone. Consistent clarity wows clients every time, worth every upgrade from my old V600. Even skeptics handling the big and heavy build objection? They admit its robust chassis endures intensive hauls like a champ." Which Epson V850 Pro feature, maybe the auto lens switch or pro software bundle, would rescue your day from scan purgatory? Comment below and let's geek out. See why it's the hybrid hero blending film grain resolution with print perfection, leaving you hypnotized by the results. Limited spots in this archival revolution. Join the thousands of photographers, archivists, and creators who've leveled up their game with the Epson V850 Pro's unmatched 6,400 per inch detail and 4.0D Max magic before stock vanishes. Pros like fine art shooter Alex swear, drum scanner quality at flatbed prices. It's a digital darkroom game changer. If dusty films or faded prints haunt your workflow, this could rewrite your story overnight. Click now to snag yours and unlock that exclusive fluid mount hint for scratch-free bliss. Don't just dream of clarity. Dive in and digitize like a boss today.